Here we
Andrew.
go. 3, 2, 1. It's a beautiful sound.
We're really excited to, as a Food Policy Council, to support and advocate for school food programs in our community. The Ontario Student Nutrition Program, as well as federal level programs. Canada is the only G7 country that does not have a national school food program. So we would like to, as a Food Policy Council, really encourage the development of such a program.
So not only does the Ontario Student Nutrition Program provide seed funding to be able to provide nutritious meals and snacks within schools, we're now working with Thames Valley on a pilot to look at the benefits of providing an actual lunch.
Food programs are important. They create and strengthen community, ensure all students feel valued and included, and bridge inequities among students. Offering a student a healthy snack when they have not enough or none at all says, I care about you, you matter to me.
We do very well in Canada. We are one of the richest and most prosperous in the world, but there are still gaps. There's still things to rectify. And the socioeconomic challenges that so many of our fellow citizens face, so often due to circumstances beyond their control, are things that we cannot ignore.
Look, you all know that 1 in 7 families struggle to put food on the table here in our city. 1 in 5 lives at or below the poverty line. Not acceptable. But that's why the program that we're talking about here, the work you're doing truly matters. It matters to Londoners, makes a difference. So thanks.
In my former life, I worked in public affairs at the Thames Valley District School Board, and I would hear many stories about students who were coming to school hungry, who didn't have much for lunch. Little wonder they found it hard to concentrate and learn. But it's not only keeping bellies full, the food must be healthy, like this apple. I'm really excited to hear about this pilot project for school boards in this area. We live in a very prosperous country, and no one should go hungry or feel they don't have enough money to buy nutritious food. But we know what happens, and we must do everything we can to make a difference.
Perhaps the most important part of classroom learning is the ability to concentrate, and that is very hard to do when you're distracted by hunger or lacking the nutrients to have the brain functioning optimally. Well, this can be remedied by making food available to students.
Encouraging children to engage in a healthy lifestyle that includes knowing about and eating fresh local foods and vegetables is dear to all of us, especially in Middlesex County, which is a thriving agricultural region. It is imperative for our younger generations to observe how nutritious food choices support their health and wellness and their communities.
School food programs are important for students across Canada as they provide a healthy choice for students when they're learning at school. We know that all students across this country don't have access to nutritious food each and every morning, so this is essential that we have these types of programs.
Healthy food and good nutrition is vital, and it helps us to learn and to be active. Providing early education empowers young people to make those healthy food choices for their entire lives.
Whether it's any school food program, nutrition programs, snack programs, lunch programs, after school programs, that those programs do more than just provide food to people that need it and to students who are hungry. It also exposes students who are both food secure and insecure to varieties of fruits and vegetables that, quite honestly, students are not getting at home. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's a beautiful sound. And I hope that all of us on this call can work together in the future to be able to open those programs all back up again to function at their full level, so that we can get back to doing what we love to do and getting back to increasing food literacy and exposing kids to the amazing foods that we have access to and that we're lucky enough to have access to here in Canada.
Thanks everyone for coming. Thanks everyone for showing your support today for the students and for our community.